Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I meal plan our week. I will take you through step-by-step process right from when I take stock of my food inventory to how I order my groceries. My kids help me with fetching them and gladly help with stacking up my fridge. If you're new to my channel, I would love you to consider subscribing. Please remember to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of my future videos. On that note, let's get started. I always start on a Friday. I take a look into my fridge, pantry and freezer and take a note of all the items that I already have and also throw away the things or the items that might have expired. Next, I use my favorite app, Google Keep, to take note of the items that I have just looked in my fridge. So I love this app. It is super easy, very effective with many features. It is available on both Android and iOS. So go ahead and download and try it and let me know in the comment section if you already use the app and how do you use it and for what do you use it. So Amit and I mostly use this Google Keep to organize and plan. So when I make a list of items in Google Keep, then I collaborate it with Amit so that he can have access to that list. If so, when he thinks that there is something that we need to buy, and so he will go ahead and enter the item in the same list. So I love this collaboration feature because Amit and I can actually see the list of items at one place, and it's super easy to actually order the groceries when you have the list ready.
Next, I prepare a plan for the entire week about what we can have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The idea is to plan it in such a way that I first use up the grocery items I already have rather than buying new grocery items. This way, I minimize food wastage and also keep my costs low to avoid running over budget. When my meal plan is ready, I use this wonderful app Bilka to go to place my grocery order. Now this is an option I truly love because it allows us to order and pick up groceries without having to physically enter the store. Though I have been using it quite some time now, this has been a lifesaver during the pandemic lockdown. How it works is that you place an order in the app and check out to pay like how one normally does. After a few hours, I receive a message when my order is ready to be collected. Then we just have to drive in a car to the pickup point and enter mobile number in the machine and let them know that you have arrived. Later, it is as simple as just driving your car to the exact location and the Bilka personnel open the boot of the car and place the grocery bags in there. Simple in the way that is minimal contact with anybody and you do not even have to step out of the car. Once the grocery is brought home, I take the help of my kids to remove the groceries from the bags and have them place it in my kitchen. I then place the items in the fridge according to my convenience. Things which I need first and are closer to expiry are placed in such a way that I can see them and use them first.
Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
I hope you liked this video. Please do give it a like if you think this video was informative, and also remember to subscribe if you wish to see similar content. Thanks for watching, and take care until we meet again with another interesting video. Bye.